Hello dear students, how are you all? I would like to welcome to all of you in this class of English. Dear students, in this video, we are going to attend the lecture on lesson number 4 of your first flight book, and the name of the lesson is From the Diary of Annie Frank. It is an autobiography, or you can say diary writing, of Anneliese Marie or Annie Frank. She was born in 1929. She was a German. She was born as Jewish girl. Jewish, who belongs to Israel. She writes a diary while she was hiding with her family and some friends in Amsterdam during German occupation of the Netherlands in Second World War. Dear students, if we try to look at the lesson, we can find out that her family had to move to Amsterdam after the Nazi gained power in Germany, but were trapped while the Nazi occupation extended in the Netherlands. Dear friends, this story represents the hope that can be created while you are in a horrible condition. Dear friends, this story depicts the life of the girl who tried to face all the difficulties and who tries to make friends with her diary. Dear friends, it is said that the diary has more patience than human beings. Nobody wants to watch you, but everybody wants to see a diary, wants to read it. You can write your opinion in your diary, and you can talk with it very properly. Same thing has been told by Annie Frank in the story. Dear friends, so many persecution made to the Jewish population when it started increasing, and what happens? The whole family had to live for 2 years in Amsterdam. And what happens if we talk about his father, whose name was Otto Frank, and his building, the whole family with 70 other peoples were hiding. Dear students, after 2 years in hiding, that group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Annie died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister, Margot Frank. Dear students, only her father, Otto Frank, could be saved from that group. And when he came to Amsterdam, he finds the diary, he finds the records, and tries to get it published in English and with the name of The Diary of a Young Girl. Dear friends, the diary was given to Annie Frank when she was 13 years old. That means you can say on her 13th birthday. And it was a great event that, dear friends, if we talk about the diary, it was read most of the people. It was translated originally in Dutch language, but also afterward it was translated in many languages. Dear friends, it became a worldwide book and read, we can say most of the people of the world. Now, dear friends, we would like to see the activity that is supposed to be done by you. Dear friends, one table we can find divided to 2 parts. 1A, where you can find the name of writing things like a journal, diary, log, and memoirs. And in table B, you can see a separate definition is given there. From table number A, you will have to match the column with table number B, to which definition does the points of table A is matching. Dear friends, if we try to see the question number 2, 4 questions are there, so you need to write the answer according to question number 1 that you have already studied as table A and B. Now, dear students, first of all, I would like to just explain the table. It is asking you, do you keep a diary? Given below under A are some terms we use to describe a written record of personal experience. Can you match them with their description under B? You may look up the terms in a dictionary if you wish. So your question, dear students, I would like to say what is a journal, what is a diary, what is a log, what is a memoirs. Now, dear friends, we would like to come page number 50 and I would like to start the lesson without wasting any time. So, dear students, let's start our story from paragraph number 1. We can find 5 paragraphs over here. So, let's start the first paragraph. Writing in a diary is really a strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on, neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of the 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. So dear friends, it is very clearly indicated by the girl who is having a feeling to write something in her diary. She is saying that diary has more patience than human beings. Only nobody would like to listen or hear about a 13-year-old girl, so that I want to write my feelings and opinion in this diary. Dear students, why does she write a diary? This indication will be clear. Because she likes writing also. And she wants to make friends because nobody was there at the time while she was writing the diary. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or to go out. I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience. And since I am not planning to let anyone else read the stiff-backed notebook grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. So dear friend, first of all, we can see that we can express our opinion with our friends, naming it diary. And she is thinking that she was trying to express her opinion when she was feeling very depressed, and she was sitting to cup his chins in his hand. She was bored and listless, and she was thinking either she should go in or she should go out. And just she tries to go inside her house, and she finds that the paper that keeps her presence, and she hasn't planned anything to let anyone read the step back notebook. So, what does she do? This is the unknown thing. She wants to make a diary her friend unless she finds a real friend. It is not going to make any kind of difference for her. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Dear friends, if you don't have a friend, what will you do? It is up to you. You need to think. So, are you going to make a friend with a diary? But it is told by Aristotle that man is a human being, like a social person. Human being is a social person. It has been told by Aristotle also. So, we need some people to talk. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I am not. That means everybody is thinking that why is Annie Frank going to write a diary? She might be alone, but she was not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. Definitely, friends, we can say she was eagerly waiting for a friend. She couldn't find it. That's why she tries to make a friend with her diary. And might be she is going to give the name also. All I think about when I am with friends is having good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. That means, friends, you can express each and every details of your life, your leading things in your diary, and what your whereabouts. You can talk very comfortably. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we won't confide in each other. That means We are not going to talk about all the details. I just can tell you as well, but I think I should tell you. In any case, that's just how things are rare. And unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. That means कि some things are happening in the life of any friend that cannot be changed. So every secret things I need to share with all the person. Nobody will believe on my words, but they will have to believe on my diary writing. To enhance the image of this long-awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. That means definitely students, nobody can check me by talking with my friend Kitty. It's a long awaited time I was living in my imagination, and so I tried to think to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people do at home. And I have named or christened my diary Kitty. So dear students, this was the explanation of the first part of the lesson, and now you will need to think the answer of question number 1, 2 and 3 of oral comprehension check, page number 51. See you in next video. Bye.